Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20p and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to take a look at this option bar and tap on the settings icon in the left upper corner. Then let's tap on the timer right here, and in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds delay. It is immediately notified right here, and after getting back to the camera you can see this timer icon inside the shutter button, so we can always check whether we've got the timer set or not. So now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that it will simply take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works, and obviously you can turn off the timer the same way. So enter the settings, tap on the timer and tap on off, and now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.